Hey guys, I am out here in the Cedar Brook community today in Leander, Texas. Now this is going to be one of Leander's newest communities. They just opened up here back in December for sales, so they've only been around for about 4 months. And we're going to be doing a tour of this MI home behind me. For those of you returning to my channel, welcome back. For those of you here for the first time, I am Ryan Dowell, your Austin area realtor. And if you know anybody or you yourself are looking to buy, sell, invest, or relocate to the Austin area, do not hesitate to call me. My contact info is in the description below. So we are going to be touring this MI home behind me. Now this is the Brahman Floorplan. It's about 2,400 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and it includes a study. It's a pretty nice one. And the base price of this one is going to be about $480. All right, let's go take a look. guys. So that is the Brahman Floorplan, and that is an MI Homes out here in the Cedar Brook community. If you guys want to take a look at this one, feel free to reach out and call me. My contact info is in the description below. And do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you can get more updates for everything Austin real estate.